To download and extract the files needed in this course, you'll first need to go to the link shown here, www.labyrinthlab.com/OE10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to left click on this link, and this will bring up the student resource website for the textbook. At the top of this, you'll see a link entitled Download Student Exercise Files. Left click on this, and this will download. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome, and it is going to download the file here. At the point that it finishes, right now, I can go ahead and I can double click on the file to open it. Now if we look at the top of this Windows Explorer window, we'll see that this file has been saved in a folder under My Name, Downloads, and it's called SF. This file is known as an archive file. You cannot use these files directly on your computer. You have to extract them. In Windows 7, it natively will open these as if they're a folder, but you will not be able to use the files in this way. You're going to have to copy the files inside of the SF folder onto your own computer or thumb drive. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this folder and I'm going to drag it and place it in my Documents folder. You'll notice that when let me start over again, I'll do it once again. I placed the mouse cursor over the Office 2000 Essentials folder, left clicked, and I held the left mouse button down. Now I'm dragging it, and I'm going to drop it on top of my documents. Then I'm going to let go of the button. Now what this is going to do, it's going to copy all of the files that are inside of this folder into my Documents folder. It's doing that right now. You'll notice here it says sf.zip. That .zip indicates that this is an archive file. So let me now go to my Documents folder. So here in my Documents folder, I see a folder now entitled Office 2010 Essentials. I can now go into this folder and utilize the files I need for the course. Now I need to make a caution here. You may have an archive extraction program like WinZip or some other tool loaded on your computer. If you have such a program, instead of opening Windows Explorer as this did when I initially opened the SF file, in this case my SF file is located in my Downloads folders here. There's the folder, or excuse me, the file. If I had an extraction program such as WinZip, that program would have opened instead, and I would have had to extract these files. I am not going to go over that in this lab. If you have such a program on your computer, you're going to have to follow the program vendor's instructions on extracting the files.